Welcome to episode 17 of the Market Your Tradie Business podcast. I am so excited to bring you this episode, and thank you to everybody who submitted this question to us over the past couple of months. And I know that it's a real red hot topic and something that a lot of tradie businesses have been asking, and that is, should I be making Instagram Reels to market my tradie business? All of that is going to be answered in this episode. Hello, and welcome back to all of you tradie men and women, business owners and loyal listeners of the show. I am so excited that we've hit over 500 downloads in our first 15 episodes, which makes me super pumped that people are finding the show valuable and worthwhile spending your time listening to. Because let's be honest, time is your most precious commodity, and I'm very grateful to see the support that this show's received and that it's been growing each and every episode. Today, we are talking about the topic of Instagram Reels. Now, let's start by asking, what is an Instagram Reel for anyone who is still a little bit curious about this question? So Reels are Instagram's version of TikTok videos, which are basically short and primarily entertaining videos, which can be created and edited in the app, and you can add effects and audio and text and captions and many more features. I guess the purpose of Reels is to give users a new way to create video content that is, highly engaging for the audience. So Reels has been the main content type that Instagram has been pushing on its platform for some time. And many accounts that are using Reels have been able to achieve significant audience growth by using them versus sharing a normal video as a post. The problem is that most tradie business owners are very time poor and might lack the confidence or the skills to actually create Reels for their business. Many are even questioning if Reels are worth using to market their business or if it's just a fad. Is it just for the kids? What's going on? So today I'm going to be unpacking some FAQs about Reels and whether or not it's a good investment of your time in the business. So in order to answer this, the first question I'm going to be answering is, should I be using Instagram Reels in my business at all? The answer to this is simple. So is Instagram a key marketing channel for your business? For example, do you use Instagram to drive traffic to your website or get leads or book customers? Are you getting business from Instagram? Are you using it as a key lead generation tool? If yes, then we definitely recommend jumping on the Reels train, and we're going to show you how to do it. And if no, then this is your permission to take it or leave it when it comes to Instagram Reels. If you have an Instagram presence, but your leads and your customers predominantly come from Google, then it can still be beneficial for you to have good Reels content on your page. When people go and check you out and make sure you're legit and see what you're all about. But it's not essential, and you might decide that your time expenditure is better spent on more direct revenue generating marketing tasks. Something to note about Reels is that Instagram has been very open about the algorithm favoring new audiences when it comes to Reels promotion. So what this means is that when you create a Reel, it's going to show this Reel to more and more new people, which is great for getting reach when it comes to getting in front of new people. If you're a local maintenance trade business and your goal is to connect specifically with local audiences, you might decide that something like a Facebook community group and collaborating with other local businesses would be a really good use of your marketing time. But on the flip side, I've seen trade businesses, including builders, electrical companies, and even garden maintenance companies explode and get huge traction from using Reels content to engage people with their business. So the next question that I'm going to answer is, what is involved in creating an Instagram Reel? This question might make you feel like shaking in your boots, and that's okay because it's honestly not that scary. So when you create a Reel, you can either film the video clip or the multiple clips directly through the Reel app on Instagram and add them, build them up over time. So you might film something at the start of your day and then add a clip halfway through. And then at the end of the day, maybe you're building a wall, for example, during the day, and you show that progression of start to finish. So you can jump into the app and film those clips directly in the app, Or you can upload videos from your phone that you have taken outside of the app. It's important to note that Reels should all be shot vertically so that they appear natively on the app. So basically hold your phone upright the normal way instead of flipping it into landscape like you probably have for a long time when filming videos. So we do live in a vertical world now, and we want to be posting vertical content on platforms specifically such as Instagram. Aspect ratios and other platforms are a whole different topic, and I can do an episode just on that. But for Instagram, you want to make sure that you are filming in vertical. So through the app, you've got the option to add music, which includes commercially licensed songs. So like the music that you hear in the charts that you wouldn't normally be able to use in your videos as a subject to copyright. And you can also add text or effects, voiceover, questions, polls. Instagram now provides reel templates to make it even easier for you, and much, much more. It gives many, many options that are easy to put together, and Reels can seem complicated, but the reality is that anyone can learn how to do it very quickly with the right help. So if you have Instagram, I'm sure you're familiar with watching other people's Reels, and I have seen so many creative ideas across many industries that you could draw on for inspiration for your business. Some examples of how you could use them in your business is showing transformations of your work over time, showing finished work, like showcasing your finished walkthrough, meet the team videos, showcasing a job update, educating your customers on a process. There is endless options of how you can use them. So if you're using Instagram to market your business, then don't wait to get ahead of your competition. And I would start using Reels as a key content method now to increase engagement and drive traffic to your website. There is a huge opportunity for you here. Reels are already being heavily adopted in most industries, but the construction industry typically will fall a little bit behind in terms of early adoption of these, types of marketing strategies. And Reels is such an easy one for you guys to grab the bull by the horns and get ahead and start creating content that positions you as a leader in your space. You can take the first step today by grabbing our free 30-minute training called Reels for Tradies. I've literally broken down everything that you need to know, even if you have zero experience of, creating content, in this one mini course. So we're going to teach you how to create and how to edit a reel and all that fun stuff that goes with that, including effects, text, audio, and more. We're going to teach you how to find ideas from other trade businesses that are doing reels from any country around the world. We're going to give you a mammoth list of reel ideas for tradies that you can still use, repurpose however you want. And we're also going to show you how you can optimize your reel to get more traction when you share it, including how to create good captions and what hashtags to use. So all of that you can get for free in our Reels for Tradies mini course, which is under 30 minutes. I've designed this mini course to be super simple and easy. So download it today, get everyone in your team to do it that is involved in content creation, and have some fun with it. And, start creating some Reels content for your business. So click the link in the description to grab that training today. Otherwise, thank you so much for listening to this episode. Don't forget to hit subscribe wherever you get your podcast so that you don't miss the next episode. And more importantly, share it with your tradie business mates, because this is what really helps to make a difference and enables us to help as many people as possible. Otherwise, here's to building trust and being remembered, and we'll catch you in the next episode.